welcome back to the channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. What's good, what's popping, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Thanks for checking out a video from moi. Okay, if you like to take care of your hair and everything else on a budget, sis, then definitely make sure you're subscribing down below and hitting that notification bell every time so you know every time I upload. And yeah, make sure you thumbs up this video because clearly you want to see what's going on, honey. You really want to see what the wig is giving. So make sure you thumbs up this video, okay? Because I know now that you want more videos of different wigs, period. Okay, so and if you're a returner because you're a part of Lo Gang, then what's good, sis? What's popping? How you doing? I appreciate you for stopping through to check out another video from me. And you know I'm coming through with the affordables, so I appreciate you for stopping through to check it out because I love the support, period. Lo Gang is always popping, period. All right, so let's get into this wig. All right, y'all, so let's get into this wig. Okay, so this wig is from Aliexpress, as you guys can tell from the title. It is the 8-inch short bob lace front human hair wig. It says for black women, air quotes. But it is a lace front wig. It is 8 inches. This is in a color brown, yeah, 1B, it's giving 1B. It is a T-part wig, so with a little bit of lace front, so it's not that much lace in the front, and it's a T-parting space. And of course, like I said, it's 8 inches. It is about $39.98, the price that I got it, so roughly about $40 for this wig. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. The density is a 150, is the one that I got. The cap is a medium size. It is pre-plucked. They said it's double bleach knots slightly, and it's no tangles, no shedding, low maintenance, and you get about 12 to 24 months lifespan in wear for this wig. And yeah, so has about 3 combs in the wig, 1 in the back, 2 on the side, the T-part thing. So as you guys can see from the video, let's get into how it looks. Let me tell you something. I'm not no pro at putting on wigs. But sis, I had to figure this out, and I'm going to review. I bought 4 wigs, so there's going to be more reviews, but out of this and another wig that I purchased, this one was worth giving a review. So let me show you how it looks close up. This is the parting. Now I did a little bit of plucking in the front, a little bit of plucking on the lace. I bleached the knots. From the camera it looks good. Like you guys can see maybe a little dry stuff from my lace glue, a lace spray glue that I was holding on, my lace bond spray that I was putting to hold on. And I left some of my hair out because I have a low hairline, so that is why I had to bring out some of my hair, but it gave it a more of a natural look. So I'm gonna pull some of it back. You can see how I was lighting it up some, but overall the wig came out good, sis, with my hair left out and a little bit of, and just the lace. So I left my hair out to about right here, and the lace is all the way down, and the lace starts from here back. So I think this worked for low hairline. Now, first of all, the wig is the picture they gave you on AliExpress for the lace is not giving what it said it was supposed to be given. Okay, as you guys can tell from the unboxing, this and the picture, this wig is making it seem as if it is like a complete kind of HD, kind of lace and pre-plucked. Now, give or take, it was kind of pre-plucked, but not all the way, really. The front was a little thick, as you guys saw, and I plucked it a little bit. I probably plucked it maybe a little tad bit too much, but at the end of the day, I was trimming that off anyway, just a little bit of it, so I'm not too pressed about it. And I have my actual wig here to cover it up. I bleached this wig twice. It did a little something, you know what I'm saying? It did a little something, but not a lot of something. I actually thought between this wig and the other wig that I had that this wig didn't take as much as the other wig, but when I actually put it on, the other wig was not at all. This wig actually turned out kind of better. So I'm really shocked and I'm really surprised. I actually got a powder that I bought from beauty supply store as well for me to put on my lace, and I used 30 developer with the what is it, I forgot the name of the bleach, but I used 30 developer, and then the second time around I used a mix of 30 and 50 just to kind of lift it a little bit more, because I was like, sis, it's not giving nothing, and I had this on here for about an hour. So it is really tough to kind of bleach and lift these knots. So if you guys are in for the task, definitely kudos to you. Go ahead and do it. I did it twice. Clearly I was in for the task. I already bought the wig, but it gave what it needed to give. Otherwise than that, you can still see some of the knots. You know, it's not HD. It's not giving HD. But overall, I think the wig is nice for $40. It's a $40 wig. It gave what it needed to give. Okay? I like it. It looks like my hair. Because you guys know recently when I straightened my hair is giving Babiana. And this is giving Babiana. Okay, this looks like my hair. This is my current look of my hair right now. And you know, I'm trying to protect my hair for the fall and the winter season. So yeah, I think this was perfect. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back. So, and the wig is not completely straight all the way across. It was like a blunt cut, so I had to take off some of the straggly ends that they had towards the front. It looked like it's like not asymmetrical, but like, you know, like giving that little triangle type of situation. But I like it. I really do like the wig. Do I recommend you buying it? Yeah, if you want to play around with wigs and you're new to the wig game and you're trying to figure it out, you're trying to understand the bleaching process, yes, sis, go ahead and get you this wig, because you will get to learn from it. And this is why I purchased it. I'm learning before I go out and buy me a $100 wig, because I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, I definitely say that this wig is a go for our beginners experience. You guys might be like, girl, this wig is trash. Okay, and for me, it's a hit and miss. It's an okay wig. It's okay. It's $40. It's $40. It gave what it needed to give. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wear it for a couple months and maybe not wear it anymore, and then wear it again. But it's a learning process. I do enjoy it. It works. It works. That's all I can say about it. It works. Would I buy it again? No, I'm not gonna buy it again. It's not a repurchase for me. I do appreciate it was super fast when it came. I got it in 7 days or less than 7 days, which it did state that it was going to give you 7-day delivery on Aliexpress, and it did come within the 7 days. So the shipping was fast. I just didn't appreciate the fact that the lace was a little bit thicker and it was not as HD or giving what it said it was going to give on the pictures, as well as it was hard to freaking bleach. So yeah, it's not a repurchase for me, but as a beginner learning the wigs and understanding how to place a wig and doing it because I have a lower hairline, I am happy that I purchased it for that reason. But if you're experienced, I wouldn't say buy it, but if you're a beginner, I would say buy it to figure it out, your bleaching and everything like that. The T part was really good. You get enough spacing for the T part. You have, I think it's like right here is where the actual track starts. So you have a little bit, like maybe about 2 inches, 3 inches of parting space, which is cool. So yeah, I did my little dookie braids underneath here. I had to redo some braids today and relay this wig. Now I can't give you a video on how to lay the wig yet. So when I figure that out, I will come back and do that. But until then, y'all, I just want to give you guys a quick review on this wig. I have a couple more that I have coming, so definitely if you're interested in seeing the rest of my reviews for these affordable wigs, definitely make sure you are thumbsing up this video, subscribing down below, and hitting your notification bell so you know every time I upload, so you guys can know when I clearly post the video. So yeah, but yeah, this is just a quick review on this wig. Nothing too long, nothing too crazy, just very talkative and with little quick pictorials. But yeah, let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. Everything will be linked in the description if you're interested in purchasing this wig as a beginner, or just because, girl, you know how to finesse real good. If you know how to do that, then go ahead and check the description box. Everything will be down there. All the information will be down in the description box. Definitely check it out. And yeah, tell me your thoughts and opinions. I would like to know, would you buy this wig because it looks the way it looks on my head and I finessed it hella good, or whatever? So let me know what you think. How does it look on me? How does it look on my skin? How did I do with my wig placement? for a first time lace front layer, okay? And yeah, so next time guys, kisses from me to you. Bye.